In this video, we are going to learn how to edit text in an image from an image file. Either how to edit the text from an image file or how to copy text from image file. So that's what we're going to learn in this short video. But before we go through, please hit the subscribe button, share and comment. Alright, so in a situation where you have an image, maybe a document that's in image format, and you want to edit it or copy the text from texts from the image file, it's very possible. So what you need here is just your MS Word, your Microsoft Word package software. All right, so now we have images here of a CV. All right, so we are going to pick one. This is a PNG image, as you can see, a PNG image file. So now we want to copy some text from this image. All right, so what we have to do is to launch our MS Word. So we're going to launch our MS Word now. All right, so we've launched our MS Word. It's loading. All right, so now we'll open the blank document. All right, before then, we are supposed to copy the image file. Let's copy the image. You should copy this. So let's copy, then paste. Alright, so now we've pasted our image file in this blank document. Alright, so we can also convert this to a document, which we are doing right now. Okay, so now we'll save. Alright, let me go to File, then Save As. If you want to use the key, the shortcut keys and the function key, that is the Fn and the F12 at the same time, you press the Fn key, that is from your PC. You press the Fn key at the same time with you press and hold the Fn key, then the F12 function 12 key, so it will bring out the save as. Alright, so let's just save this the desktop. Alright, so now we should save this as a PDF file. Alright, so let's just use it. Let's just give the name just image. Alright, so saved it. Save. Alright, so now, okay, it's still loading. Now we've saved this image as a document, and it's saved as a PDF file. So now we'll minimize, then we saved it on the desktop as image. Alright, so this is it right here. So now, in order for us to copy a text from this, since we've converted it to PDF already. So right click, open with, then Microsoft Word. You click on Word. Alright, so this will pop out. What we want now, convert PDF to editable Word documents. You click OK. Then it starts converting the PDF in a way that it could be edited. As you can see, converting image. So wait for it to convert. Alright, so it's done converting this PDF document, which initially was an image file, PNG image file. Alright, so here now we have our document. It can be edited, as you can see. It can be edited. You can delete, undo. You can edit, change this to men, as you can see. You can copy, or you can cut as well. So you can do whatever you want to do now with this document. This was initially an image file. So you can see as it's very simple and free. You don't need to pay for any of this. You can just edit your files, edit your documents. So this let me show you the initial one. All right, look at the image one, the image here. Can you see that? All right, so this is the image. There's no way you could edit it here. There's no way you can edit it. But when we've gone through this simple process, look at it. You can now edit or copy text from an image file. Doesn't matter if it's PNG, JPEG, anymore. Once it's an image file, you can edit texts or copy text from the image file. So I hope you got what you're looking for. Continue to share, comment, and if not subscribed, please subscribe to get more of all these hacks, free hacks and insights. Thank you.